All right, so behind me right now in the screen is a survey from 2019. So, a little old, but it breaks down the fact that overwhelmingly homeowners are stressed out about selling their home. In fact, when you look at this, 95% of the people that were asked in this Consumer Housing Trends report said that they're stressed out. They're stressed out about selling within the desired time frame. They're stressed out about the uncertainty about price. They're stressed out about repairs, offers falling through, being able to purchase another home. That's actually gotten a lot worse as our inventory has gotten bad. But um, the lack of control about the entire process, not knowing if the buyers are interested, having to keep the house clean, negotiating, leaving the home for tours and open houses. There's a lot of reasons that selling your home is not good news. And so when you get a homeowner that is checking their home value, or even so far as someone that says, I want to sell my home, you get a lead where they actually say that. You got to understand that when you're all excited about talking about selling the home, you're coming across as out of touch. And that's why many of your text messages, your emails, they just aren't delivering the way that they should because you're not in touch with how that person feels. This is not a fun subject. And so one of the things that we try to do, this is when you write something down, just get ready. What we try to do is we try to take it away from them. And so when we're initially talking to them, we say things like, I'm sure you're not looking to sell anytime soon. I like to try humor. Not that it's funny, but I like to try it. And so I'll say things like, John, listen, I'm sure you didn't wake up this morning and think to yourself, I think I'm going to sell my house tomorrow. I know that's not the case. I know that it's not necessarily something that you want to work on right now, but you and I can both agree that this is one of the largest investments of your life, and it deserves careful planning and consideration. And so, take it away, the thought away from them that you're going to try to come over there tonight with a listing agreement and a sign in your trunk and stick it in the car, and they're going to be homeless when they sell their home, right? Keep in mind that this is a very stressful topic. I mean, I don't want to keep my house spotless 24/7, and I know you don't either. So be sensitive to that fact. And the way that we start off our conversation. So I mentioned already, and I asked you to write it down, taking it away. I'm sure you're not looking at selling anytime soon. You want to work that into your conversation at some point. The opening, you want to, because it's a stressful subject, don't say, I'm calling to check and see if you want to sell your home. They won't call you back. And if they do answer and you say that, they won't answer the phone again. What you do instead is you call and you make the purpose of the call different. John, you asked for some information about 123 Smith Street, and I sent you a report. Sometimes it lands in the spam junk folders. I just wanted to make sure you got it and that it made sense to you. And you notice that what I'm teaching you right now is how I wrote Raya. That's how she opens up her text messaging, is she focuses on an admin-oriented outreach. And then while we're talking to them, we can transition to some additional subjects. But for now, I want you to understand that because it is a fact that selling a home is not an exciting subject, you need to, A, have an admin-oriented opening. Have the call and the purpose of the call something other than, do you want to sell your home? If you're leaving a voicemail, don't tell them why you're calling other than to say, I had something I needed to ask you with regards to the report that I just sent. If you could give me a call back, right? So make it about the report. That's admin related. And then when you do talk to them, make sure that you're overemphasizing that you know that they don't want to sell the home tomorrow night.